turn your any vining aroid plants like pothos, philodendrons, syngoniums 3 times bushy and can get as bushy plant as I have behind me. So let me show you the whole process. And with this, hello plant lovers, I'm Nishat Suba from Bangladesh and welcome to Plantology. If you have a vining aroid plant with lots of leggy growth like this jade pothos has, then first detangle the vines. Take a single vine and make clean cuts below every single node. Or every couple of nodes. And cut back all the leggy long portions as I am doing. Make sure your pruner or scissor is sterilized. Then grab all the nodes of the cuttings and you can tie all of these lightly so the cuttings will not move. Then take a pot and fill it with soil. I have used my Pothos potting mix and you can get the video link in the description box. Filled around a 1/3 portion of the pot and then simply plant all the cuttings. You can secure the cuttings using bobby pin or any bent stick to keep the cuttings stable and straight. And after planting, water thoroughly. Now the plants are already looking bushy, and as the cuttings root, every single node will push new growth, and imagine how beautiful, bushy and big it will look like after 10 to 15 days. Not only this, also the mother plant will push multiple new growth and that also will look bushy enough. Now we need to keep these cuttings in a cool and shaded place until all the cuttings start to grow. Now your study table would be the perfect place to keep them, and also keep the soil moist. The cuttings will wilt for some days, but do not overwater. After 10 to 15 days, all the cuttings will start to grow. See how easy to turn a leggy plant into a bushy and big plant? So don't hesitate, take cuttings, because professional plant growers make their plants bushy exactly by following this simple hack. So that's all. If you want to learn how I prepare the soil for pothos, then check this video out and feel free to subscribe, like and share this video with your friends and family. Thank you so much for watching and we will see you in the next one. Take care.